Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the stain and protecting the garment. First, you test a hidden seam because delicate fibers react differently. If safe, turn the fabric inside out. Apply a 1:1 mix of white vinegar and water to the mark and let it sit for 5 minutes so acid loosens oxidized iron. Meanwhile, sprinkle a little baking soda on the stain's surface to create gentle abrasion once you work it. Once done, blot, don't rub, to lift loosened particles. Now you move to the removal stage where technique matters. Wet the area, then use a soft bristled brush and the vinegar-soaked spot to work in small circles. This agitates residues without damaging fibers. If the mark remains, apply lemon juice directly and place the garment in sunlight for 10 to 20 minutes because UV plus acid bleaches iron stains chemically. After sun treatment, rinse thoroughly with cold water to stop the reaction, and make sure to inspect the fabric before repeating one more cycle. You finish by laundering according to the care label, using a regular detergent and a moderate temperature to avoid setting any lingering trace. After washing, air dry the garment because heat from a dryer or iron will permanently fix any remaining marks. Inspect while damp so you can treat again if necessary. If a stubborn stain persists despite repeated home treatments, use a textile-specific rust remover following product instructions, and test first on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.